Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna talk about top 5 most beautiful gardens in the world. Number 1. Royal Botanic Gardens. Situated in southwest London on the banks of River Thames between Kew and Richmond in the country of Surrey. Kew Garden is a botanical garden in southwest London that houses the largest and most diverse botanical and mycology collections in the world. Kew Gardens includes more than 50,000 different plants in its living collection and over 7 million preserved specimens. The gardens were also awarded UNESCO World Heritage status in July 2003. The Royal Botanic Gardens in Kew offers a haven for horticulturists thanks to more than 130 hectares of greenery, with over a million people visiting yearly to enjoy the world-famous glass houses, historic gardens and the Royal Palace. It has one of the largest collections of preserved plants and fungi specimens in the world. Kew Gardens is home to a vast collection of plants and fungi called the Science Collection. This collection includes the herbarium and fungarium of dried fungi, along with 1,000 fungi cultures in liquid nitrogen, and the seed collection, which contains 86,000 collections and more than 2 billion seeds. Number 2. Gardens of Versailles. The Versailles Gardens was built at the behest of Louis XIV, a monarch quite familiar and opulence. Designed by André Le Notre, have been a worldwide reference since the 17th century. The canals, fountains and water features are a key feature of the gardens. The garden covers 800 hectares, which includes 300 hectares of forest and 2 French gardens, the Petit Parc and the Trianon. Its 250 acres are filled with winding paths leading to flower beds, ornament lakes, quiet corner decorated with statuary, and a canal used by the king himself for gondola rides. The embroidery parterre, or a formal flower bed garden, is a theme specific to French gardening that harks back to Vaudeville tradition. This type of garden is geometric in nature and traces symmetric arabesque lawns in front of buildings. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it is one of the most extensive gardens ever created. Number 3. Butchart Gardens. Another most beautiful gardens in the world is Butchart Gardens. Butchart Gardens, located in Brentwood Bay, British Columbia, near Victoria on Vancouver Island. The Butchart Gardens are the most beautiful collection of gardens in Canada. Jenny Butchart and Robert Pym Butchart, a couple who came from Ontario, established the garden in 1906. It started out as a limestone quarry but was turned into a garden as the quarry was abandoned. Butchart Garden is one of the most visited and most beautiful gardens in the world. Butchart Gardens was declared a National Historic Site of Canada in 2004. It draws over a million visitors each year. These gardens cover 22 hectares, which includes 4 gardens. The largest garden and the one that probably has the most impact on the visitor is the Sunken Garden. From here, the walk takes you through the Rose Garden down to the exquisite Japanese garden, then back to the Italian garden. Number 4. Nong Noor Tropical Botanical Garden. Nong Noor Tropical Botanical Garden is located in the Chonburi province in Thailand. It was first created in the late 20th century after Pest and Nong Noor Tan Sasha bought the 600-acre plot of land in 1954. Nong Noor's garden is one of the tropical gardens, the world's largest botanical garden with the top beauty of both the ancient region as well as around the world. There are over 20 separate types of gardens, each designed to display the different plant life. It has the biggest private collection of plants in the world. The entire area is more like a theme park with daily culture shows, restaurants and accommodation, as well as a vast area showcasing individually themed gardens. It has a collection over 1,100 species of palms. In 1998, it was proclaimed to be the biggest collection of palm trees in the world. This garden is based on the Gardens of Versailles, which had inspired Mrs. Nong Noor to create her work. Beside perfectly cut trees and bushes, the garden displays the collection of the exact copy of Buddhist mortars. Garden is a 10 acres covered in beautiful flowers and mesmerizing geometric designs. Number 5. Desert Botanical Garden. Another most beautiful garden in the world is Desert Botanical Garden. Desert Botanical Garden is a 140-acre botanical garden located in Phoenix Central, Arizona. Desert Botanical Garden is home to 1,000 of species of cacti, trees, flowers and 139 rare or endangered plants from all over the world. They are a myriad of plant species, more than 20,000 contained on the grounds. It draws over 1 million of visitors who come to the garden each year to experience the living wonders that bloom and grow in this desert landscape. Today, the garden exhibits more than 50,000 plants, including 485 rare and endangered species, and welcomes visitors annually. Thanks for watching, guys. So I really hope did you guys enjoy this video. Then do like it and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon also.